Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. I have the brand new Jazzy Ultra Light and the brand new Go Super Portable that folds down. This video is to show you the covers. So when you order this unit and you're traveling and you need a cover, if you want to store it, here's the cover it comes with, or you can buy this as an accessory. It's padded, it's pretty nice. It's got a handle here, it's got a bunch of stuff. I've never done this yet, so kind of going into it blind, but I would imagine you would first take the battery out because it also has a battery pack to take onto the airplane when you're traveling, and you would just put that right in there. You can put your charger. There's room in here to put your charger. There's a lot of room, you can see. I would turn this thing off. And there is your battery pack charger. And there's Velcro here, so I'll figure out what that's for in just a second. Then I'm going to fold this unit down. I would suggest, to be honest with you, when you're flying, is to go ahead and remove this. It's very easy. There's a little clip. Just go ahead and unclip it, loosen this out, put this in here. You also have a thing to put your name right here, and I would also remove the cup holder. And these knobs, if you want to keep these knobs, just go ahead and remove those also. So fold this down, remove the cushion, fold it down, it clicks, and then you're going to want to put it into this bag. I would probably fold it, bring it straight up. And then reach your hand under there and grab this and come in Velcro. And you're going to want to clip, and you can tighten this down. And now it's enclosed, and you can still roll it like so. This Velcro, you can get that cushion in there. I just took it off for the folding. This Velcro, I'm thinking that if you want to keep it all kind of together, when you get to like your hotel or whatever you're doing, you would just do this. And there you go. That's how you put the cover on the new Jazzy Ultra Light. Now right beside me is the Go Super Portable. There's also a bag for the battery. So you just take the battery same way, and if you have the charger, there's a little compartment up here for a charger or whatever you want to do. Put this in here. You have an on and off switch also, so turn it off. Drop that right in there. Charger should be able to fit in there also. It's ready to go. You can probably want to remove this too. It's just Velcro. Pull it right off. Fold that up. Put that in there too if you need to. And then let's go ahead and fold this down. Loosen this. I think we can get a little bit tighter. You got to get these grooves right or you won't be able to latch it. So we'll see if that's good. Now right here you have a extra compartment if you want to put, I guess, that bag in there or whatever you need to put in there. That little bag I just took off can go in there. This one has some wheels, some pads, so it's like a golf bag. Zippers right here, a little place for your information. Let's pad it. probably just drop it like that. We'll see how it fits in there like so. Because I didn't remove these cushions. Like, you can remove these cushions. Let's go ahead and remove them. At least this one and this one. It's all Velcro. This will probably allow it to fold down a little bit tighter. Oh yeah. Make sure this is all the way down so it fits down better. There you go. That's pretty tight. And I would probably think it would roll in like this. You can put it in your free will. Open this bag up. So you can roll it, try to roll it in there. This one's definitely harder to put in, but not too bad once you get the hang of it. There you go with that. Again, you can throw your cushions back in there. You have this to carry it if you're able to do this. Your son, your daughter, you have a handle here. But you can also roll it around. So those are 2 travel bags for 2 new products that Prod just recently came out. The fold down Go-Go Super Portable and the Jazzy Ultra Light Power Wheelchair. If you have any questions about these products, or if you have these products you want to order it, just check us out at affordablemedicalusa.com or give us a call at 803-926-2224. Have a great day. Yeah, it's a nice bag. Here, this goes on up front. There's your cushions. That's going to go on that scooter.
Oh.
You just put it in front. Try to get it all folded up. You got the battery bag?
It's in there.
Don't put it in there.
No?
Nope. I'll get Eddie to strap that up. Here. The big bag and a small one. Thought it went well. Pretty nice bags.